Hello, it's your boy Salim, and we're here in Family B Park with my grandmother. She's 80 plus years old and in good health. So, here are the precautions. Do not use spike seals or any of the sharp edges. This is the track. DHA invested a lot of money on this. Do not stay in this. जी
आई है किधर है?
उधर गई है।
मुझे लगता है वो पीछे थी हमारे, है ना?
वो है
किधर है?
वो आगे। So no bicycles, trolleys or any wheelers use as cigarettes or flammable material oil to instrument. So you can see this park is incredibly clean and perfectly maintained. Perks of living over here. So I'm having a good time. Over here we got burning brownies. The park is beautifully made, maintained, and you can see there are indications everywhere. Sport courts over there, basketball court and squash court and tennis court all over there. They all have a paid membership. I come over here at every like 7 p.m. to play basketball. There is 1500 membership fee and 1000 monthly, but the court is perfect. The basketball rings and everything. And over there is a climbing wall for children. Here's my grandmother. She's 80 plus years old but in good health. Alhamdulillah. She comes over here daily this time to walk. And like me, she's nature lover. She enjoys nature. And she also feeds the birds. So here's my grandmother. And relax over here. So I'm gonna go over here, there, and go check you guys out the basketball court and have a glass of water. There is also an open gym over there. You see this, and nature is beautiful. Secret rapper and all people have no regard for cleanliness. It's very shameful. They throw each other everywhere. I mean, they shouldn't be doing this like this. Me personally, I've been taught by my parents good manners. I never throw anything.
कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
So here are the rates for different facilities available. 300 registration fee, monthly fee for basketball and days badminton, 2000, 1500, tennis court, climbing wall, martial arts training, and cricket coaching also. And here's the open gym. This is squash court. These are the tennis courts. I'll show you the view above.